Imagine installing a part within your air intake system, and it lowers temperatures as low as -40 and significantly reduces inlet air temperatures dramatically in a distance of 8 to 14 inches and can achieve up to 120 degrees differential in temperatures, resulting in cooler, denser, combustible air. Let's meet Dustin Woolf and what he calls natural nitrous.
So my name is Dustin Woolf, Woolf Pack Racing. We're here at the SEMA show 2021. We brought to the SEMA show this year my product, new invention, new technology. It is called the Natural Nitrous System. It's the world's first standalone refrigeration system for your air induction. So if you take a look here, kind of go through all the different components that we have in the system. Everything that you can imagine that's in a refrigeration system is here present. And we're starting with the compressor. We've got a compressor down here that we use that moves the refrigerant. Now this is our pump right here. Then we reject all that heat into our condenser here. We change vapor to a liquid. Then we got a liquid that comes up into our expansion device here, and we actually feed refrigerant into a helical coil that's in your airstream. And in that coil, the inner coil is clockwise and the outer coil is counterclockwise. So the air is actually spinning in two different directions at the same time. So with that happening, it's hitting the surface area of a low temperature -40 coil. It's amazing. So like on a hot day, normally we're seeing about a 60-degree delta T. It's 40 degrees coming out. That's our product, first of its kind. And just happy to be here at SEMA, and thank you for the opportunity.
If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button, share this video out, and leave me a comment if you want to see a behind-the-scenes video at Dustin's shop, and subscribe to me if you're not already doing so. I want to thank Dustin and his family for giving me their time to speak with me during the 2021 SEMA show. Without guests like them, I could not bring you their stories. Links to Dustin's website and social media platforms will be in the show notes. Now that the cat is out of the bag, I can congratulate Dustin on winning SEMA's 2021 Launchpad competition. If you want to hear more from Dustin and what the competition process was like, a link to that interview will be in the line card and show notes. If you haven't already done so, can you turn on the notification to all for when I release my next new video or live stream? YouTube is telling me that only 9.4% of you have it turned on. Here are a few of my other videos that YouTube thinks you might enjoy.